evening, everyone. Welcome back to Jordan Tarlow's Reading Corner, aka Flyer Tyler 657. Tonight's book, we will be reading Elmer and the Big Bird by David McKee. Is everyone sitting comfortably? Then we shall begin. Elmer the Patchwork Elephant was watching his cousin Wilbur. Wilbur was playing tricks for some of his friends. He was making his voice come from trees a long way off. Strange, thought Elmer. No boys around. They are of Wilbur's voice twicks. I wonder where they can be. Elmer left the others and went to find the birds, as he called out, "You, boys, where are you?" Suddenly a bird flew out of the cave and said, "Shh! Elmer, quickly, come inside!" The cave was full of birds. "We're hiding from that huge, nasty, bully bird that's on the red rock," said one. "He frightens us. Have you seen him?" "No," said Elmer. "I'll go and talk to him." "That won't do any good," sighed a bird as Elmer left. Sure enough, there was a big bird on the rock. "Hello, you're new here," said Elmer. "You're welcome to stay, but please don't frighten the little boys." "Frighten them? They'll do as I say. They'll do as I say, or I'll do more than frighten them," screeched the bird. I say I like to frighten, and I'll decide if I say or not." Elmer returned to Wilbur and the others and told them about the bully bird. "If he won't stop being so nasty," said Elmer, "I'll need your help and the help of the wee big bird." "The really big bird?" asked Wilbur. "Yes," said Elmer. "Here's the plan." Next, Elmer went back to the birds and said, "You're right. The bully is awful. We might need the wee big bird." "The wee big bird?" mumbled the little birds, impersonating Elmer in chorus. "Yes," said Elmer. He explained what he intended to do and then said, "That bully gets more than one chance. If he's still nasty, I'll call the wee big bird." Ha! The bully bird saw Elmer coming. "Stupid, I say stupid elephant. I scale him." He dived straight at Elmer and said. Elmer hummed a little tune and pretended not to notice. The bird hurtled down, screamed, and last minute swooped up again to his rock. Elmer acted as if nothing had happened. "Are you all right? You sounded frightened." "Frightened? I said frightened? Me?" scoffed the bully bird. "Fat chance." "Well," said Elmer, "the boys have a friend much bigger than you. Leave them in peace or I'll call him." "Bigger? I said bigger than me? Impossible," shrieked the bully bird. "Leave them in peace indeed. Call him. Go on, call him." Elmer trumpeted loudly. A deep voice came from far away. "Where's the horrible bully who frightens little birds?" In the distance, something started to rise. At that moment, there was the sound of running, and the animals came racing by. "Run for it, Elmer!" they called. "A really big bird is coming!" He be that big," stammered the bully bird. The rising shape was an enormous bird. "Let's see what a really nasty bird can do," came the voice. "Oh no, I just remembered," said the bully bird. "It's my uncle's birthday. I gotta go." He left very quickly. "Come back, you coward!" called the voice, but the bully bird had gone. The huge bird came closer, changed shape and started to break up. It wasn't one bird, it was all the small birds, flying closer together, laughing happily. They began to land. Wilbur came and said, "Well done." "Well done," said Wilbur. Came out of the hiding as the animals returned. "Well done, everybody," said Elmer. "I love the voice, Wilbur." "Thank you all," said one of the small birds. "Now we can live normally again. From the distance came the voice of the big bird. That's what we call togetherness." "That's what I call togetherness too. Ha!" "Thank you, Wilbur. I couldn't have put it better myself. Ha! Ha!" And that was the story of Elmer and the Big Bird. Subscribe if you want to hear more impersonations of Elmer sounding like Elmer Fudd. Good night, everybody. Ha!